Hey guys, it's me, Jack, and I'm back to tell you how much I hate
carrots. 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 Let me try this one more time. Carrots. What happened to my voice? Why do I sound so different? What's happening? So confused. What? I'm so confused. You know what? Maybe if I say spinach, then I'll go back to the normal.
Spinach. Oh no, it didn't work. Crap. Oh no. It's just making it lower. No. What's happening to my voice? I'm scared. Please help me. If you like, my weird voice change will probably go away. Please. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, cause I really want this weird voice change to go away. Please like and subscribe, because then maybe my voice will go to back to normal. Please, make it go back to normal. Please.